The first car, please. Please, close. It is to me.
If we turn on the lights.
The gap. Easy on the gas pedal, man. It's gentle, you need to caress the vehicle. The back, please close the gap. Come closer to the group.
Wow. Awesome. come to me, I'm going to explain what we see.
Okay.
Only me.
We're about to catch in the grass.
Guys! The Judea desert. Listen to the quiet. The special, very, very special sound. Welcome to the desert. Who knows who is the Judea? What's the name the desert called from? Judea is one of the 12 tribes, the Jewish tribes. Okay, they sit right here. This is the middle of the desert, and we are now in the northern border of the Judea desert. Okay, everybody can take a look back. You see the white bridge, white line of mountains. Okay, this is called the Good Samaritan Mountains. Behind that, okay, we have the Prat stream. Okay, in the next stop we're gonna see it. Okay, so the Prat stream is the northern border of the Judea desert. Okay, what is the Judea desert actually? Okay, the Judea desert called the desert in the shadow of rain. And this for main reason. This direction is west. Okay, in Israel all of the clouds came from the Mediterranean from the west.
Yeah.
They all collide with Jerusalem. You see the big mountain, the big city over there? Okay, all of the clouds collide with Jerusalem. Rain drops all of the rain, okay, and then they come up very, very high up here, collects new rain from the Dead Sea down there, and then continue to rain in Jordan. All of the mountains in the far, okay, in the horizon, this is Jordan State. Okay, so in here again, desert in the shadow of rain. Okay, okay. In this, in the beginning of the week, it was be like 2 days of very, very hard rain. This is why everything here is mud, and you see the trail of the water all over. Okay, it's like once, twice a year that it's rain like this in here. Okay, so you're in a very special. A very special time, because if you were here 1 week ago, everything is green, everything is yellow and brown, and it's all dusty. So we have a very good time that you came here. Okay, so we talked about the northern border of the Judea desert, and now let's talk about the east. Everybody see the water down there? It's pretty hard because of the dust, but you see it?
Yeah.
Small. Right
Body
behind
of
the
water.
mountain over there. Okay, this is the Dead Sea. Okay, the Dead Sea is the eastern border of the Judea desert. And a few more words about the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea levels in 430 meters below sea level. Okay, just for comparison, we are now standing in 160 plus over the sea level. Okay, we have like let's say 600 meters of drop. Okay, the bottom of the Dead Sea in some places. It came to came or come? Came to 700 came to 730 meters. The bottom of the Dead Sea came to 730 meters below sea level, the lowest point on Earth. Okay. The sad thing about the Dead Sea is for the last
Question. Is the road from Egypt to Israel similar to this type of terrain?
Yeah, it's also desert, but it's the Negev.
Is
Pretty-
it as hilly and
Yeah.
makes sense why they were complaining on their way here?
Please, my little boy, don't throw rocks, please, because we don't know if somebody is hiking down there. Thank you. So, the Dead Sea. The sad thing about the Dead Sea is that in the last 15 years, the Dead Sea drops in 1 meter, about 1.5 meters per year. It's like this high, okay, for two main reasons. One of them is Jordan State. What I mean is, in '95, Israel and Jordan had a peace settlement, okay? And through the peace settlement, they decided that they're gonna take 90% of the Jordan River waters to Jordan State for agriculture, okay? The place they divided the water, okay, 10% here, 90% there, is like 100 kilometers north from here, okay, near the Kinneret. You all visit the Kinneret?
Yes.
Okay, so near the Kinneret, from there they divided the river, 90% go to Jordan and 10% stay with us. The problem is that the last 10% doesn't doesn't even make it halfway to the Dead Sea. Okay, so the main water source of the Dead Sea is shut down. Okay, the other reason, and the most main reason, is the factories that we have in the south of the Dead Sea. Very big factories, a lot of money, a lot of politics. They take salt water, okay, from the Dead Sea, retract the minerals and the salt, and then bring back fresh water. The fresh water evaporates more quickly, okay? So this is why the sea level drops, okay? In the south, the south border of the Judea desert, it's a city called Arad. It's like 80 kilometers from here, right? 80 kilometers from here, okay, this direction. On the west, you can all turn around. On the west, we have Jerusalem. It's pretty hard to see the actual buildings because of the dust, but the Jerusalem, and you see all across the settlements over there, they represent the western border of Judea desert. You see the big three towers on the top of the mountains? Yeah. Okay. The right one is the Hebrew University in Scopes Mountain. Okay. The middle one, the small one, it's Augusta Victoria. Augusta Victoria was the wife of William II, the Emperor of Germany, 250, 300 years ago. Okay, he built this tower as an hotel for her name. Today, it acts like a Palestinian hospital. Okay? And the left tower, it's the Russian church Aliyah. How do you say Aliyah?
Ascension. Ascension.
Speak up.
Ascension.
Okay.
Church of the Ascension on the Mount of Olives.
Okay. And everybody see the slope on the left of the tower? Yeah. Okay, this is Temple Mountain. 200 meters from this tower is Temple Mountain. And Temple Mountain connects me to the very beautiful story about Yom Kippur. Everybody look to the south. You see the big mountain at the top? Okay, the big ramp. Okay. In Arabic, it's called Muntar. What word is symbol? What it sound like? Muntar.
Mountain.
In English, mountain. Okay. In Arabic, Muntar, mountain. Okay. In Hebrew, Azazel mountain. Okay. In Azazel mountain, there is a very famous story about Yom Kippur.
He sends them there, the goat there.
In Yom Kippur, the big priest in the Temple Mountain, the big priest in Temple Mountain needed to sacrifice 2 goats, specifically goats, not sheep. Okay, in Yom Kippur, one is sacrificed in Temple Mountain, and the other one they give to a Jewish guy. They give him a name. Sorry for my English. They give him a name. Ish Iti. Ish means man. Iti, it's a name. Okay, Iti. And he carried the goat all the way from Temple Mountain to the top of Azazel Mountain, 30 kilometers, like let's say 8 miles, 9 miles. Okay, thank you very much.
I thought you were going to get a goat then.
Bring the goat. Bring the goat.
Big plus. Next time. Okay. So he walked 13 kilometers, let's say 9 miles, 8 miles, okay, from Temple Mountain all the way across to the Azazel Mountain top. On the way, he walks through 10 Sukkot. You know what Sukkah is? Yeah. Okay, very good. So he walks through 10 Sukkot of Jewish people. And they offer him water and food because of the long journey that he had. Okay? Because of the sacred of the day of Yom Kippur, he doesn't eat and doesn't drink, and he wants to do the mitzvah. Okay? He goes all the way to the mountain, to the cliff, and throws the goat away. In the Bible, it's written that the goat doesn't even make it halfway to the mountain. Okay? It turns apart, limb by limb. And I'm gonna go. Don't worry about me.
What? Don't follow.
She found the goat pieces.
He's another follow.
What if he just fell?
Okay, the reason that he doesn't make it all the way to the bottom of the mountain is this rock. All of the black that you see here,
Yeah.
okay? In Hebrew, Even Tzor. Even, it's rock. Tzor. Tzor. Even Tzor, okay? In English, flint. Flintstone, okay? And why it's that? The stone breaks very, very sharply. when it breaks inside the ground. Okay, this is why when they throw the goat away, it got torn apart, limb by limb. Okay, in the biblical time, with this stone they used to do circumcision also, and kitchen tools, knives, arrows, stuff like this. When do you think they stopped doing circumcision with the flint and started using knives?
But it was a lot more recent.
Yeah.
When you heard about David HaMelech, David and Goliath?
Yeah.
Okay. When David killed Goliath, okay, they tell that he picked up 5 stones. 5 stones. He blessed them, and he all joined together to make one big stone. And Goliath, he was a giant. He wore a full metal jacket armor. Okay. And the only thing that was exposed was his eyes. Okay. So they tell that David asked the iron, please let my stone pass. Okay, because we all know that David threw the stone, hit him in the forehead, right? So David asked the iron of the metal, of the armor, to let my stone pass. And I'm going to give you 2 promises. One, I'm going to give you the mitzvah of the milah, of the circumcision. It's very, very high. Okay, very, very high mitzvah. And the other one, he promised him that he's going to be a part of building the 3rd temple. In the first 2, iron was not allowed to go in, not for building and not for how do I say the word?
Hammer.
No, not hammer. Yesodot. The foundation. Okay, the foundation. Okay, you couldn't cut stones. They have a special worm that's called shamir, and this worm they cut the stones with. Okay, that's it. That's it. So since then, I got confused. Since then, they stopped using the flint and start using the knife. Okay. So another thing, everybody's kind of hard with the dust, but you see the buildings, they're pretty close to us.
Yeah.
In the middle, not the highest one and not the lowest one. You see the buildings?
Yeah.
Okay. This is called Ma'ale Adumim. Ma'ale, it's hill. Okay. And you see the building down there. This is Mishor Adumim. Mishor, it's plains, okay? And everybody see the forest up there? Yeah. The small houses with the forest? Okay, Adumim village. What is Adumim? Red, right. Why is everything in here is red? Take a look around and tell me you. Take a look around. Why is everything called red?
Soil.
You see the spots on the mountain? Okay, all of the spots, the red spots on the mountain, show us a very, very big concentration of minerals and iron inside the ground. Okay, and when you take iron and mix it with water and air, you get rust. Okay, all of the red that you see here, it's rust. This soil is very rich with minerals and iron. Okay, but no one allows to take to dig here because it's all natural reserve. Yeah, natural reserve. Guys, thank you very much for listening. If you have any question, I'm right here. Yeah.
As we were coming up, I noticed there were a whole lot of snail shells all the way up the mountain.
Because ages ago, you were standing in the middle of the sea. The Jordan River, the Jordan Valley. Okay, it's תוצאה, גבר? תוצאה? תוצאה? Result. Okay. It's a result of a huge earthquake that happened here 1.5 million years ago. The Syrian Egypt break. Okay, we are sitting now on 2 very, very big tectonic plates. 100 million years ago, they started to separate. One side make the Jordan mountains, and the other side push all of this and make the Jerusalem and Judea. Okay, 150 million, 500 million years ago, we are all standing, I think, maybe 2 kilometers ago. Wow! Guys, thank you very, very much for listening.